Welcome to this video on color theory for UI/UX designers. We'll explore how color impacts design and user experience. Color theory is the art and science of using color. It guides visual communication, influences user emotions, builds brand identity, and improves usability through contrast and hierarchy. The color wheel defines primary colors like red, yellow, and blue, which cannot be mixed. Secondary colors, such as orange, green, and violet, are made by mixing two primaries. Tertiary colors combine a primary with an adjacent secondary color. Color harmonies dictate how colors work together. Complementary colors offer high contrast for CTAs. Analogous colors create a cohesive look. Triadic colors are evenly spaced for balanced, colorful UIs. Monochromatic palettes use one hue for clean design. Color psychology reveals how colors make users feel. Red suggests urgency and power. Yellow conveys optimism and energy. Green represents growth and trust. Blue signifies calm and reliability, while purple indicates luxury and creativity, and pink conveys fun and compassion. Warm colors like red, orange, and yellow advance, catching attention and creating energy. Cool colors such as blue, cyan, and purple recede, creating space and evoking trust. Use warm colors for CTAs and cool colors for backgrounds and content areas. Contrast and accessibility are crucial. WCAG guidelines define minimum contrast ratios for inclusive design. Key rules include never relying on color alone for information and maintaining a 4.5:1 contrast for all body text. The 603010 rule is a guide for UI color palettes. 60% is for the dominant primary color, 30% is for the secondary support color, and 10% is for the accent color used for punch. Top products use color intentionally. E-commerce uses red CTAs for urgency. Finance apps use dark backgrounds for trust and green for growth. SaaS dashboards use purple accents for innovation, and health apps use green for well-being. Key takeaways: color communicates before words. Use the 603010 rule. Always check WCAG contrast, use color harmonies, and test your palette on real components. This intentional use of color will improve your designs.